Uh-oh, guys. Check this out. You see that? I realized a lot of us aren't prepared with a patch kit. You shouldn't have to go to a tire shop for this. You should be able to do it yourself, and you should be able to do it on the side of the road. So in addition to the tire patch kit, you probably should have a way to air this tire up. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this Ultimate Tire Plug Kit, who is not a sponsor, and I'm gonna open it up in a very like caveman Cro-Magnon way. Like there's no point in being like simple about it. Just be like, you know. All right, so what I got in here is the two, some tire plugs. You get this Ultimate Tire Reamer. So once I pull the nail out with these pliers, I grab it and pull it out. I put this in there and ream it out, leave it in there. And then I get this and put one of these patches right there. So it's like that. Then I get this plug Bondo and squirt on the patch. It's like a lubricant and it gets hard once it sets up. I did not mean for that to come across that way, but you get what I'm saying. And then, so anyways, so once that's happened, you pull this out, push this in, and then you hold this to the tire while you pull the plug out. It'll be like this. The plug will be in there, the tire will be there, and you'll go beep, and it'll pull the plug out, and then you just snap loose of it. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get a hammer. Step one, pull this nail. Hey, ow, son of a gun. Come on. Okay, got it. So that thing. Okay. Find the hole. Okay. Ream it in a little more. Hammer it in. Ream it in. Like that's tiring, you know. You can take a break. It's barely hissing because this is plugging the hole where the nail was. So if you need to, take a break. If you're in an emergency situation on the side of the road, maybe keep rolling. But just saying, you can take a break if you want. Okay. Now it's in there. So now, ream it out. Okay. Now, get my plug, squeeze it through there. Put this lube on it. Okay. Okay. That one went in like a glove. See how it buried all the way? Now what it says to do is hold that down while you pull out. It's like that. How about that? How about that? Done. Now, if I was on the side of the road right now, you'd need one of them tire inflators, which I have, but I don't keep it on my truck, but I'm going to. So sorry this ain't a fishing video, you guys, but I hope this helps at least one of y'all plan ahead, save you some trouble. See you guys later, Frog Martin followers. I'll throw in a couple fishing things right now just because it has to happen.
Did you hear me say boom? There you go, there you go.
go.
Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I fight for what I love with every breath. My past is
Big, whatever it is.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me act